Hi, today I want to show you an app. I have just started using it yesterday and I found it quite interesting. Go to Google Play Store and search for MS Designer. And you will see I've already installed here. And go to check about this app. And you can see there 500,000 downloads. Is quite new. And you can see the supported version here, Android 8 and up. I will be running this version, 1.24.beta. So let's go to open it. You need to have a Microsoft account to use this, and I've already logged in. As you can see, there are some options here. You can select images, sticker, wallpaper, and you can create design for festival, birthday, customize design here. And here you can also remove background and blur background of existing photos. But in this video, I want to show you the text to image, what we know from the image creator in the Edge browser. Down here in the menu, you can click on the add button to create image. And there are a list of preset image. So you can pick one of these, for example, and you can fill the field here, change something. Let's say if I don't want to use palm tree, I say Christmas tree. And generate. And you will see the Christmas tree here playing guitar. Usually it will generate 4 images. Sometimes I got 2 and sometimes I got 1. And I don't know whether there is a limit for this app. In the Edge browser, usually I have only 15 credits a day. But in this app, I haven't hit the limit yet. I don't know whether there is a limit at all. I just play around. So let's go to here and create my own stuff. I have prepared a short prompt. It's a Top Gun movie, a scene, a man and a woman in uniform, sunset scene. So let's generate and see how it goes. You can try with the same prompt many times until you get images you like. And for example, if I like this one, there's a fighter jet here. So then I want to save it, click on share, and I can click on set as. And you can set as something, but you don't need to. Let me go to gallery here, and I can see this is my new image I just saved in my gallery. Currently, I don't know how to send the image to my projects here. But when I open my projects, I can see there are 2 projects already there. They came from my Copilot. Let me show you this on my laptop. Okay, now I'm on my laptop. I'm running Windows 11 and I've got the Copilot here. This is my history. I have generated some images. On the top right corner of each image, you will find there's an icon with the plus button. So I want to pick one that's more obvious, something. Let's say I pick this one. And if I click on add, and it will say save image. And I can go to the collection. I've got some image already here. So this is the one I just saved it. Let's close this one first. Click on this one. And I come to this screen. So if I click on customize, basically, I'm going into a graphic editor. I can modify my image. This is not what I want to show you. Just go out of here. Now we are back on the app. Let's close this and go back to the home screen. I want to show you the projects here again. So now you can see I got 2 projects before, and now this one is the one I've just saved it on my laptop. So I can now edit this image by opening from the project folder. As before, I can add something to the image. I guess it should be able just send from the image I created from here directly to the project. It works from the Edge browser on my laptop. I'm using the version 7002 beta, and maybe that's the early version. It's also saying here early access, so maybe they are still missing some feature. This is just the beta version. I'm sure more features will come, so stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.